Hello friends, I'm Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw cactus for kids. So let's get started. Draw a straight line. From the first point up to down, draw a line. From this point, draw a up to down same line and join with a bend line. Now draw another line like this. Now draw from this point up, round and join, and same from this point up, round and join, and same from this point up, round and join. Now from this point go up, round and join. Now draw small flower like this here. Now I am making small cross line for prick like this. Now our drawing is ready. Time for coloring. For pot, I am using ochre yellow. For outlining and shading, I am using brown. Top of the cactus, I am using yellow color. Now I am using light green. I am using deep green. For prick, I am using sap green. Now I am using red for flower. At last I am using black for shading and outlining. Now our cactus is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye-bye.